Hello and welcome back to the Zikpro YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important features in ERPNext, item attribute. If you want to manage different variants of your products like sizes or colors, this video is for you. Let's get started. In simple terms, item attributes are the defining properties used to create item variants. These come in handy when you have a base product that comes in multiple variations. For example, if you sell t-shirts, the size attribute might include small, medium, large, and extra large, and the color attribute might include red, blue, and black. By combining these attributes, ERPNext automatically generates different product variants for you. To view the item attribute list, just follow this path: Home, then Stock, then Settings, then Item Attribute. Now let's see how to create an item attribute. First, go to the item attribute list and click on Add Item Attribute. Next, enter the attribute name, something like size, color, or length. Let's start with non-numeric attributes. These are text-based attributes that represent qualities like color, material, or style. In the attribute values table, you enter the meaning of each value, and you can also give it an abbreviation which helps create shorter item codes. For example, for a color attribute, red could have the abbreviation RD. Blue could be BL. And green could be GR. These values later combine with other attributes to form item variants. Now let's talk about numeric attributes. These are used when the attribute values are measurements like length, weight, or capacity. Here you set three things: the from value, which is the starting number, the to value, which is the ending number, and the increment value, which is the difference between each step. For example, if the attribute is pipe length with a from value of 0.25, a to value of 3, and an increment of 0.25. ERPNext will automatically generate all the values in between 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1.0, and so on, all the way up to 3. This feature is extremely useful when you have many product variations and don't want to enter them one by one manually. So that was a complete overview of item attribute in ERPNext. Thank you. See you in the next video.